In this cost of living crisis, you need to hear this if you're an aquarium enthusiast. Western Sydney Aquarium Plants Facebook group recommends checking out Temu for unbeatable deals on aquarium supplies. They have got everything you need to make your underwater buddies happy without sinking your budget. In our view, Temu is cheaper than going to the pet store, and delivery is fast. From tanks to filters, decorations, air stones, lights, airline tubes, aquascaping rocks, pumps, and aquarium soil at cheap prices. They have it all at the lowest prices. Plus, check out their special offers via our affiliate link that Temu wants us to share with group members to maximize savings. Make a huge saving today. Why spend more when you can get the same top quality supplies for less? Temu's customer reviews speak for themselves. Thousands of happy fish and even happier owners. So whether you're setting up your very first tank or upgrading to something bigger, they got you covered. With Temu's speedy delivery, you'll have your supplies in no time. Don't miss out on their limited time offers available to group members. Dive in and save big. Click the link in the description for exclusive offers. Like and subscribe for more content.